Hello, Jane Cleland here. 5 things to know about me. Number 1, I'm a cat person. Always have been. I've had cats in my life, all my adult life, all rescues. Number 2, I am a serious snorkeler. The first time I snorkeled, it was like a blind man seeing for the first time. The colors, the underwater world, astonishing, majestic. Number 3, my mother was a writer. Fiction and nonfiction, mostly mysteries, and articles about how to raise children. That's kind of funny to think about, isn't it? Number 4, I walk almost every day. Japan came up with the concept of forest bathing, which doesn't mean swimming in the woods. It means immersing yourself in nature, if only for a few minutes, and I find it makes a huge difference. And number 5, my favorite colors are orange and blue. I like them both, and I like them together. I hope that you have enjoyed this little 5 things to know. There are others. I hope you'll take a look at them. And if you're interested, on my YouTube channel, I have long-form interviews with publishing industry experts, best-selling authors, literary agents, editors. It would be a pleasure to have you join my writing community, including frequently asked questions. They're in the YouTube channel too. 1 to 3 minute answers to frequently asked questions. I hope you'll like it and share it. Hope you subscribe. We release a new frequently asked question every Wednesday. And if you subscribe, it opens up features that lets us make the videos even more valuable. Thank you.